Golden Week. Golden Week is such a lovely time to be in Japan. The weather is great and everyone is relaxed. There's a real holiday feeling all over the country. It's one of my favourite times of the year. The only downside is that the roads are full of traffic. You can spend hours stuck in traffic jams, so I usually stay at home and do things near my house. I love going on picnics in local parks. I'm English, so I find it really interesting to see how Japanese people have picnics. Very different from picnics in England. Many people have the whole week off work to celebrate the different holidays. The Emperor's birthday and Constitution Day are important, and so is Greenery Day. But I like Children's Day. This is when Japanese parents do special things for their kids.